Welcome to Sam's Cooking with Sam. This is a brand new series where we try out new recipes, hoping not to screw things up and actually learn something out of it. Cacio e Pepe. Simple, we are gonna screw this up. Cacio as in cheese, Pepe as in pepper. It's all gonna happen fast, so it's best to have your ingredients ready beforehand. Fill a pot 3/4 way with water and bring to a boil. As that is heating up, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of whole black peppercorns into a mortar and pulverize the living hell out of them. Ugh, nostalgia. But you want a coarse feel and not fine. Texture. A fine powder is practically ruined. This is what we're going for. A sand sort of like texture. Back to the pasta water. Season the water with salt to taste. You don't want to oversalt it because we need some of the pasta water for later. And now the spaghetti goes in. Cook as per packaging instructions minus 2 minutes. This bunch of spaghetti is enough just for one serving. You want to keep turning the spaghetti because if you leave it out for too long, it's gonna clump up together. And you don't want spaghetti that's clumped up together like ugali spaghetti. At this point, the pasta is halfway done, so you want to get the pepper all fragrant. Add about 1 tablespoon of your crushed pepper. I'm going with my gut feeling at this point. I'm gonna add a bit more. You don't want it to burn, you just want it to get fragrant. That's more like it. We're gonna add about a scoopful of that pasta water. Let it go, just let it reduce by itself. Back to the pasta. This is 70 to 80% done. So we're gonna take it off the heat. This is about 70 grams or 4 tablespoons of the Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add about a scoopful of that pasta water and immediately form a paste. Just after draining the pasta, you need to give it about 2 to 3 minutes for the water to cool down a bit. If your cheese gets strung together or stringy, your pasta water was too hot. That is more like it. When our pepper looks something like this, in goes the spaghetti. Another great spoonful of the pasta water and give it a toss. Then immediately cut off the heat. Drop in the cheese paste and work it into the spaghetti with a spatula. If you maintain the heat, the cheese will get all stringy and that's a point of no return. It should not be stringy like a pizza but a creamy sauce. If it's a bit too stiff, add a bit of the pasta water and you'll be sorted. And for the 999th time, give it a toss. I told you the water will come in handy. 30 seconds later, this should be on its way to a warm plate. Some of that glorious cheese sauce onto the top. Glossy, right? More crushed pepper. And some grated Parmesan to finish it off. So there you go, Cacio e Pepe. And now for the fun part, the taste test. We didn't screw it up, and so shan't you. Just everything that you need. Cheesy, creamy, peppery. It's all in there. If you enjoyed this video or just love the sight of food, drop a fat like and subscribe. If you happen to make this, which you should, tag me on Instagram and see you on the next one. Peace. Damn, chief.